Hi students, today we discuss about mean of grouped data. Mean of grouped data. Mean of grouped data can be found by three methods. One is direct method, second assumed mean method, third step deviation method. See, first one is direct method, second assumed mean method, third one step deviation method. See, today we discuss about direct method. Direct method. So in direct method, mean x bar is given by the formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi, where fi means frequency, xi means mid value. Mid value is also called class mark of the particular class. Now we take an example. Example from exercise 14.1. Exercise 14.1. See, a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environmental awareness program, in which they collected following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. See once again the question. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environmental awareness program, in which they collected following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. So number of plants given and number of houses are given. So number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. So number of houses are 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2 and 3 are given. So for this, see the solution. In solution, number of plants are taken as classes, number of houses are taken as frequency. Number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. See the frequencies. The frequencies 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. So now how to find the class mark, that is mid value. Mid value is nothing but, see, suppose this is the class 0 to 2 plants, the frequency is 1. So consider the class 0 to 2. So 0 is called lower limit, 2 is called upper limit. Mid value can be found by adding the lower limit and upper limit, dividing by 2. lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 0 plus 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So the mid value of next class. So here the lower limit is 2, 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4, 6 by 2 is 3. So here 4, 6. 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Next 6 and 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 by 2 is 7. 8 and 10. 8 plus 10. 18 by 2 is 9. 10 and 12. 22. 22 by 2 is 11. Next 12 and 14. 26. So we get 13. So now we got number of houses considered as frequency. Next mid values are or class mark. It is xi. fi into xi we have to find. That is 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. 2 threes are 6. 1 fives are 5. 5 into 7. 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. 6 nines are 54. 2 11s are 22. 3 into 13. 3 13s are 39. Now we have to add all the fi xi's. That is sigma fi xi. Sigma means sum. Sum means total. Total of the values. That is 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 5 17. 17 plus 4 21. 21 plus 2 23. 23 plus 9 32. So 3 is the remainder. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 2 13. 13 plus 3 16. 162. So sigma fi xi, that is the total of fi and xi values. So that is 162. Now we have to add all the frequencies. That is sigma fi. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 5 16. 17 19 20. Sigma fi is 20. So once again see the table. So number of plants, number of houses. So we have to find the first two columns are given columns. We have to find mid value and find fi xi. Mid value can be found by adding lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So next fi xi, we have to multiply frequency with mid values. Then we have to find the total of frequency, total of fi xi. Now mean. Mean x bar is given by the formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi. That is given by 162. Already we have found the value. Sigma fi is 20. By cancellation we will get 8.1. 8.1 plants. In this way we can find mean of given data. Consider one. Suppose we take another example. See, find the mean of the following data. Suppose it is given like that. Class interval will be given and frequency are given. So we have to find mid value. We have to find mid value and fi xi we have to find. Mid value is nothing but xi, frequency fi. So here given the values 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 are given. Suppose the frequencies are 5, 8, 20, 15, 7 and 5. So mid values we have to find. 0 plus 10, that is nothing but 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Next 10 and 20. So 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. So 20, 30, 50. 50 by 2 is 25. So 30 plus 40. 70 by 2, 35. Next one is 45. Next we'll get 55. We have to multiply frequency with mid values, that is 5 5 is a 25. 8 into 15 we'll get 120. 20 into 25 we'll get 500. 15 into 35 525. You have to calculate each and every value carefully. 45 sevens 315. So 55 fives 275. After finding each and every value, you have to add sigma fi xi, that you will get 1760. Now sigma fi means sum of frequencies, that is all these values. You will get 60. Mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, that is 1760 divided by 60. You will get the value approximately 29.33 approximate value. So for finding mean, you can calculate up to 2 decimal places. Thank you.